In this video, we will show you how to free up RAM on Windows 11. To free up RAM on Windows 11, there are two methods. First, manual using Task Manager. Just find Task Manager on your Windows 11 using the search bar, and you can see here there is memory use is 62%. You can manually end tasks for the program that not important. For example, like Microsoft OneDrive here, you can just click and task to free up 32 megabytes RAM. Okay, you can see here. Also, Microsoft SharePoint if you don't want to using these programs. And maybe this manual method is a little bit consume time, you can see here. But if you want to using automatically method, you can using the programs called RAM Cleaner, Game Booster, and PC Optimizer. You can get this software on apps.microsoft.com, then just find RAM Cleaner. Okay, then you can download the programs. We will put this link of the program into description or comment. You can go to the comment section to get this program. Okay, after you download, you can just click open the files, and RAM Cleaner will checking the system requirement and starting the download process. The downloading process is almost complete. Now the program has been successfully installed. You can see here the program's interface is look like this. RAM usage percentage is 1 gigabytes, and you can also see the free RAM available here. You can just free up RAM and clear temporary by clicking this button. You can also using RAM auto cleanup interval. Okay, for example, for 30 seconds or etc here. But this features is only on a pro version. But you can do is clicking this button for just free up the RAM and clear temporary. Just clicking this button, for example, after you browsing using the browser, for example, look like this, and there are temporary file because we download the asset from the websites, and you save 64 megabytes of RAM, and we can free up RAM space again like this, for example, and wait the process. After the process, we will see the notification on the pop-up. You can see here. And that's all. Tutorial how to free up RAM on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.